All right, up for another one. Let's go. And in this one, what do we have, Cheese? Continuing with the world news updates, it is being reported that the World Health Organization is issuing a World Health Emergency warning ahead of Trump's inauguration for Monday. It looks like the risk of the chicken virus or the bird virus is spreading fast, and they're issuing warnings about this virus that we need to contain it somehow. So it looks like restrictions are going to start taking place. Okay, so we're going to continue to follow up with this, but it looks like a new season of viruses is coming ahead as soon as Trump's inauguration hits. More problems going on in the world, guys. So let's stay healthy. More to come, guys. Stay tuned till the next one.